Do is look to improve the look of this site ever so slightly by adding a little bar just going through the middle of it in a different color, just to separate these two chunks of text for something that we're going to do later on. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to make sure that we are selected on the correct container. So you can see I'm on this container here, and we're going to add a new container in underneath by clicking the insert, changing this to bootstrap, and then we are going to just click on container here. It's going to ask me, do I want it before, after, wrap, or nest? Well, we want this one after. And what we can do, there you are, we just added a new container in here. Now at the moment, this container won't show up, but what I want to do is I want to add some color into it. So by clicking the plus here, what I'm going to do is use a pre-made style. So I'm going to put .bg dash, and we're going to go with a secondary, which is like a darkish color. Now that looks very good, but let's see what happens when we preview it. Now when we preview it, it doesn't actually show. And the reason it doesn't show is because we haven't actually got anything in there. Now the easiest way to do this is if you place a little space in here, what will happen is this will automatically show, and you can see there's a nice little amount of space there with that. Okay, so it'll add then something in there for you. Now you also have the opportunity, if you need to add in various different things here. So I'm just putting another little space in there to move things down a little bit, and that then makes everything look really nice and tidy. Now one other thing to do, you might find that some of these images will have something around them. So let's click on the three dots here, and let's add in a little border around there. So all I've done is put a slight border. Wait, Siri. All I've added is a slight border around there, and that now has added a little bit of space then between the two bars. And if I just show you what that looks like there, you can see there's a little border there going around. So that's a quick way of doing that. Now if you do add something in and you think, oh, I've made a mistake, and you're trying to click backspace, you'll notice that doesn't work. So just click the P, right click, and then delete, and you can see then it'll remove it for you as well. So it goes back to what it used to be.